Hey guys, welcome. My name is Naralee and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a reserve sign. So these reserve signs you can put on a table for people that are not doing a seating chart. You can reserve your table this way, and it is a great easy craft that you can do right now. So all you're going to need is a plank and your color of choice. I'm using espresso as our stain color. You're going to need a stain pad, a glove, and a vinyl that says reserved on it, or you can also do a paint pen if you're just really good at calligraphy and you can just write reserved on there yourself. I personally am not that good at calligraphy, so I'm going the decal way. So you're going to put your glove on, because if you get stain on your fingers, it can be kind of hard to take off. But if you do end up getting stain on your fingers, just wash your hands like normal and actually add oil, and then it'll come off a little easier. You're still going to have to scrub a little bit. So I am getting some stain, and then all you're going to do is grab your little sponge and just sponge away. Just put the stain on there. You see how I'm just literally just using the sponge so easily, and it's already like I'm almost done with this. But yeah, so if you want different colors, there's different colors. We got this stain at, I want to say Home Depot, might have been Lowe's. We go to both of those a lot. So then you'll just continue doing that and do the whole plank, and after you do the whole plank, you're just going to let it dry, and it shouldn't take that long because it's not that big of a plank, but just let it dry. Alright, so now that it is dry, it looks like this. So it is all dry, nice and clean. And before I stained it, I sanded it down so that it just will be nice and smooth. So you can do that too. And if you don't want to go the route of getting a plank, you can also just go to Michael's, and they have, I believe they have like heart-shaped wood, or like just different little accents that you can do, and you can just get one of those. And honestly, you don't even have to stain it if you don't want to. And now that we have our vinyl, we're going to put the vinyl on the plank. So let's do it. We're going to take it off. It is a little easier to get like a credit card, and then once you get your credit card, just like, I'll show you. So I aligned my vinyl. I got a credit card, well, Pet Supplies Plus card. And then you just go like that in order for it to just, the letters for them to smooth out onto there, and then it'll be so much easier taking off the vinyl. And I'll show you how it will look. Just have to scrub it for a little bit. But yeah, these signs are going to be good for you to just put on a table. If you're not doing a seating chart, you'll be able to put this on your table, reserve it for family, friends, whatever you want, honestly. Or put it on chairs if you need to reserve chairs. Get creative with it. Right, so now that we peeled it off, peel off the vinyl, and there it is. Look at that. So now you have a reserve sign, and you can just plop it on the table and it'll stay, because it's a rectangle and it'll just honestly stay. It won't need any assistance. So there you have it. If y'all do end up doing this project, please tag while I'm planning so that I can see your beautiful artwork. And have a great day. Bye.